Good day, children. Today we are going to learn about the letter Q. This is the letter Q. The sound of letter Q is kwa.
Let us write the letter Q. Big letter Q.
Make a circle from blue to blue and then a slanting line. Again, round and a slanting line. Round and a slanting line. Good job! Now let's write the small letter Q. From the red line, let's make a circle up and then a slanting line. Round, up, okay, again, round, up, and then slanting line. Good job!
Now get your notebook and practice writing big letter Q and small letter Q. Now I want you to circle all the big letter Q and the small letter Q in your screen. Ready?
Big letter Q, small letter Q, big letter Q, small letter Q, small letter Q, and big letter Q. Okay, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letter Q. Good job, kids. Now let's study the words that begins with the letter Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Q is for Quiapo Church. Quiapo Church begins with big letter Q because Quiapo is a name of a place or a name of a church. Quiapo Church. Q is for Quezon. Quezon. Quezon begins with big letter Q because it is a name of a person. Quirino. Quirino begins with big letter Q because it is a name of a person. Q is for Quack. Quack. Q is for Quiz. Quiz. Q is for Quarantine. Quarantine. Q is for Quail. Quail. Q is for Quail eggs. Quail eggs. Q is for Queens. Queens. Q is for Quartz. Quartz. Q is for question mark. Question mark. Q is for Queen. Queen. Q is for Quilt. Quilt. Q is for quarter. Quarter. Q is for quill. Quill. Q is for quiver. Quiver. Q is for quall. Quall. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Okay, let's have our activity 1. Thumbs up if the picture begins with letter Q. Thumbs down if not. Are you ready? Quartz.
Quartz begins with letter Q.
Thumbs up.
Fish. Fish. Fish does not begin with letter Q. The answer is thumbs down.
Quilt. Quilt. Correct. Quilt begins with letter Q. How about this one? Jelly. Jelly.
The answer is thumbs down.
Quail. Quail. Good job. Quail begins with letter Q. Okay, now our activity 2. You are going to check the pictures that begins with the letter Q. First picture is Quiapo Church. Okay, check. Number 2, quartz. Check. Number 3, Querino. Check. Quarter. Check. Quezon. Check. Queens. Check. Wall. Check. Clock. Okay, clock doesn't begin with the letter Q. Quill. Check. Quiver. Check. Okay, in our activity 3, you are going to write if the picture begins with big Q or small q. Number 1, Quiapo. The correct answer is big letter Q. Number 2, quiet. The correct answer is small letter Q. Number 3, Quezon. Quezon. Okay, big letter Q. Number 4, quail eggs. Quail eggs. Small letter Q. Number 5, Querino. Querino. Big letter Q. Number 6, queen. Okay, the correct answer is small letter Q. Good job, kids. Okay, for our artwork for today, you are going to make this artwork. Q is for queen, or Q is for queenie.